Are you having problems with your Owlet app, stuck on searching for base station, and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same issue before, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it. So basically what I did firstly was that I closed my Owlet Dream app, as you can see, and instead I went into my settings app on my phone. And now on my settings app, then what I did was that I scrolled down in here, and then I clicked where it says general. So I clicked on general. Then I scrolled down in here and I clicked on storage, as you can see. And then we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. And then you're going to click on the blue search symbol in the top right corner, as you can see. So just click on the blue search symbol, search for Owlet in here and click on it, as you can see. And then you're just going to click on upload app. And once again, click on upload app. And we're just going to wait for this page to completely load, and then click on the blue button here once again. And now you're just going to, as you can see, it says loading here on my Owlet app right here, and it's going to probably take me a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes to be able to complete this loading process right here. And when it's done, you can go back into the app and try once again, and hopefully this will now be able to be fixed for you as well.